This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage memories on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook has been around since 2004, so if you were an early adopter, that's a lot of photos, status updates, and comments saved to your account. With Facebook Memories, the social network can remind you of moments it believed you want to relive. But there will inevitably be memories you'd rather forget access, that weird haircut or friends and family who have passed. And what if you want to manage your memories on Facebook? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile or the three lines over here. You'll see there is an option, Memories. You can tap on that, tap on Memories. So here's all of your memories post on Facebook. You can choose your stories from 2 years ago, so you can share this post, share these stories or memories as post, or you want to share a story. You can also manage your memories by tap on the gear icon here. You can manage the notification. You can choose how often you want to be notified about your memories. You can choose all memories, so Facebook will notify you no more than once a day, or highlight. Facebook will notify you only about special videos and collections, or if you don't want to get any notification from memories, you can choose none, so Facebook won't notify you about memories. I will choose none. You can also hide memories. You can choose to hide memories that involve people and dates you'd rather to not see. You can choose if you want to hide memories from some people. Example, this. So when you shared your memories as story or post, they won't be able to see your memories. You can also choose the specific date range that you'd rather not to see in your memories on Facebook. So that is how to manage memories on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!